Your boy Traps Go back at it again with another fucking video, and I gotta fucking show y'all something and shit. I just got fucking Robux on my. Oh, why the fuck does it say zero? Why the hell does it say zero? Maybe I gotta refresh it. Hold on, let me refresh it. Boom. I got fucking 2.k Robux or whatever, and oh my fucking god, this shit cannot be fucking real. Yes. Okay. But first, we're gonna take everything off for a little bit. I'm gonna go for like a different style, cause I'm going for like a female, cause like this is kind of a girl cow, so I'm going for like a female or whatever. So yes, I fucking can't wait. Let me take everything off real quick. So y'all want some fucking like y'all want to hear me talk whatever y'all can. I'll make two videos of this like this is me talking or whatever, and then I'll make the video like adding of me adding music and text stuff if y'all don't want to hear me talk or whatever. Cause this probably will take a long ass time. So this is my second time getting Robux or whatever, but I don't fucking care because I just got $30 and I just bought that shit, whatever. So I'm going for like a female look. I just hooked on YouTube like how the females be looking or whatever. So this how to be looking. Okay, so let me like save this as a D. I'm gonna go in fucking catalog or whatever. Let me go in catalog. Let me go in catalog real quick. And I'm gonna like spin this shit. I'm going for like a female type of look. So hold on, let me turn this shit down. So my favorite color is purple, of course. So we finna do fucking purple, whatever. So let me see. So for a female, I'm gonna let me think. Cause like, I gotta wear girl clothes. Like I don't want to wear that shit. It's gonna be like, yeah, it's gonna be different as hell. So let me go. Yeah, let me go for this real quick. So what fucking animation should I fucking get first? Like, cause I'm rich as hell, shit. So we gotta fucking see. First thing up first, I'm gonna buy the fucking toy animation. What a fucking toy. Let me try. Let me just try everything on them real quick and see how it fucking look. So this look good. Okay, I'll buy that shit. And okay, what else should I buy? I like this shit. Ooh, I'm gonna buy the fucking ninja animation. Let me see how this shit look. Hold on. I'm gonna just equip the fucking run or whatever. Yeah, this shit already looks fucking good. Okay. So for hair, we're gonna do fucking dreads. So people knows I'm a fucking boy or whatever, dreadlocks. Okay, so oh no, I put dreadlock. It means dreadlock. Yeah, there we go. I should do this hair and shit. And I'm gonna do like I'm not doing no fake hair lifts or nothing. I'm doing like a face. I'm doing like an actual face. Let me do like fucking cheeks. I'm gonna do cheeks. Yes, period. Okay. And let me go on all whatever and let me search up evil for that fake ass playful vampire. Cause like who the fuck wants that shit? Evil. I know it's called evil. Bitch, hold on. I'm just loading up my fucking main account. The shit that got banned for fucking 3 days, but it's coming back tomorrow, hopefully. So let me see how much this shit costs. Oh shit, it already costs 1,000 and shit. Yeah, maybe that ninja animation ain't fucking worth it. I'll probably get like the mage animation, whatever. That shit probably look good as hell. Let me get fucking mage. Um, or should I get zombie? I should get zombie, whatever. But like that shit weak as This is an alt account, anyways. I'm gonna just do whatever. This is an alt account, anyways. Okay, this shit look good. How much this shit costs? 665. Not bad. Okay. Um, let's see something. So first we're gonna get that fake ass playful vampire. So I'm loading on my avatar. Black Barbie 8283. Like I said, my fucking sister made my account because, like I said, I joined Roblox and shit again. So yeah, see, hold on. And then I need like faceless cheek. I need to let me see, hold on, faceless cheek. Hold on, yeah, list cheeks. Face of cheeks with fucking blush? Hell no. What a fucking normal. That's what a diamond spell. Oh, I spell fucking cheeks, bro. I need to fucking take a spelling class. Okay, where the fuck is that shit at? Like, come on. I'm just going here real quick, and then let me just see if it's on here. There you go. Like I know my fucking ways. See? Shit look weird as hell. Alright. Now we need fucking glasses. So we need some purple ass glasses. So let's do purple. Or whatever. Purple shades. And that person in my comments said I do need to do a better job. But like, I like my avatar though. Like, I understand your opinion and shit, but like, I do like I said, it's my very first time getting Robux or whatever, so I fucking tried this shit, you know. So purple vault, and then okay, it's crown vault. I think that's what it's called. Come on, my brother hooked me up on that fucking shit. Hold on, crown vault. Crown spider vault, I think. Yeah, this is it. Then I need to add the extensions too. Yeah, there we go. Now it looks like I have a fake limited and a fake vault. What the hell? Alright. So now we're gonna purple. See, like shit like this I'm not fucking wearing. We're gonna fucking like just call it shit and wear this shit. Like, come on now. I low-key shouldn't do big legs, low-key. I should just do small legs. Like, let me do small legs, yeah. Let me do Cindy, whatever her name is, Cindy legs. Okay, I'm gonna put this shit on. Yo, I'm gonna just fucking buy Cindy so this shit don't like do too damn much. I'm just buy fucking Cindy. Or whatever, so it can like fucking equip. There you go. Cause like big legs and shit look good and shit, but I don't know how fucking YouTubers can do it. Purple vote. So I'm doing this shit again. Okay. Alright, there we go. Like, okay, maybe I should change the shades though, cause I can kind of see the eyes and shit. Like, purple bulk. Ooh, period. These fucking shades, but it's like it's messing up the glasses. What fucking shit should I just purple Volk shades, I guess, or that shit look like Grimace. I'm not gonna lie. Shit, I'm just making sure I'm recording. What about these? Yeah, what about these? I like this. I like this a lot. Oh, someone put a like on my outfit. I'm gonna like her shit back, cause that was very sweet. Whatever. How much this shit cost? 1,300 Robux. Okay. Yeah, we can buy this shit. We can deal with that shit. It's like the shit don't look right with the mage. Like, I'll just probably buy me like a default run or whatever. Let me try the default run and see how this shit look. Or yeah, cause mage animation, I can't do that shit in bro, whatever. I don't know why. It's just That shit hard as hell to like keep in place and shit. So I'll probably just do like the Roblox default run or whatever. Alright. Let me see. Let me buy that retro shit. Yeah, that one buy this shit. Okay. So yeah, this shit looks better now. This shit looks better now. Yeah, 780. I can fucking buy this shit now. I can tell Roblox finna get rid of this shit too. I can tell they finna get rid of it. Cause like, it literally looks just like the fucking real like playful vampire. I can tell they finna get rid of this shit. That's why I'm hurry up and buying this shit now. So save the Roblox. Let's see. Shit, this shit is so fucking satisfying. But let me just buy this shit. They have 19.99 LOL a year. I'll probably be in the 1,000 place, or I don't know how much Robux I'll fucking have, to be honest. Oh yeah, I'm definitely staying in 1,000. Like, oh no, if I buy that toy animation, I probably won't. This shit would have looked good if I had like core blocks or whatever, but I guess not. And I'm not gonna put no fake ass core blocks on, cause that shit would be, everybody would make fun of my ass at this point. Like, come on now. They should give out like free core blocks though at this point. Like, they should make core blocks like 4,000 Robux maybe. Like, they should make it like 4,000 Robux maybe. So so everybody has a chance to buy it. Or they on Black Friday or whatever. They should like make core blocks like thing. So, or how much do I have left? If I was to buy shit, how much I have left? Or I don't know. Save the Roblox. Save this shit or whatever. Let me save it. Yep. Save this shit. Okay, so that shit is saved. Whatever. Um, I should make my Halloween fit though on my alt. So why my shit not on here? I thought it said. Let me just close out of Roblox. You let me open this shit back up. But whatever. Oh, I got 1.4K left. Why the fuck my shit just over there loading? Hold on. Let me just join the game. Or whatever. Yeah, let me just join Kai real quick. And then, ooh, I need that fucking core blocks, bro. That shit look good as hell. And then let me just get out and see my avatar loads now. What the hell is going on? Is it because like Roblox has experienced like some issues or whatever? Let me try again. Let me try again. There we fucking go. That shit irritated the fuck out of me. What the fuck? Why does this fucking thing look thick as hell on me? Hold on. Why the fuck this shit look thick as hell? Cause I can't fucking have both of these. Hold on. I got an idea. I'm gonna just go on website or whatever since I'm on laptop anyways. Alright. Yeah, I got 1,420 left. And I should buy me a fucking weapon on Brawl so like I can fucking whoop people's ass. I should just save my Robux on this account. Like save it just in case I get banned again and shove it in. I can just use this like Robux or whatever. Now, why am I fucking lying to myself? Now, you know damn well I can't save some Robux. What the fuck? Where the fuck is my face accessories? What the fuck? Hold on. Let me refresh this shit. Hold on. Failed to load recent items. What the fuck? Oh my fucking god, bro. This shit. Okay. Give me this. Okay, that fucking message ain't popping up no more, which is good. So I think Roblox fixed the shit. But it still says failed to load recent items. Fuck it, fuck it. I'm gonna just deal with it. Hopefully nobody like notice like the shit, but fuck it. I don't give a fuck. Okay, we finna go and brawl too, whatever. And we're gonna yeah, I'm gonna say I got like yeah. I can't eat. Girl, I'm hungry. I'm hungry, but I don't want to eat. I'm gonna order me a pizza. Like, she said, oh, okay. Let me just buy me a fucking weapon real quick. Hold on. I should buy me fucking stacks, but never mind. Let me choose my weapon wisely. I'm gonna buy the fucking big bat. So I can slap people with this shit. I'm gonna go on Brawl 2, whatever. I'm gonna play Brawl 2 with y'all for a little bit. And then I'm gonna go. I'm gonna beat her ass. She look fucking weak as hell. I'm gonna beat her ass. Ooh, never mind. Maybe I should. Yeah, I'm gonna beat her ass. Yeah. Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna beat this big. I'm gonna beat this big. I can't talk. I'm with this big ass. I'm with this big ass. What the fuck? What the fuck? Did I get fucking hacked? What the fuck? It's like some Roblox stories or whatever. Okay, it's not. Let me beat this big ass. Cause why the fuck you just hit me off for no guy's fucking reason, bitch? Nah, bring your ass over here. Bring your ass over here, bitch. Bitch. Oh, okay, bitch. The fuck? She knew to fucking jump anyways. I mean, he knew to jump anyways. The fuck? And still got my fucking lick back. The fuck? Bitches these days be playing with me and shit. Like, come on, man. And I look rich as hell, though. Okay, y'all, but here's a disclaimer and shit. I'm not fucking bragging or nothing. This is just for fucking entertainment. So I can entertain y'all, you know? I'm not fucking bragging. I would never brag that I got Robux. Shoot, it's a game currency. Now, if this shit was in real life, then I'm sorry, but I gotta. Bitch, what the fuck is your damn problem? What is with you with me? The fuck? Yeah, I'm voting for this. I'm voting for this fucking map, cause I hate that shit. Cause people just go up and run up on that fucking thing, then they think they fucking eat, but they don't. So, yeah. Let me fucking buy that Mr. Toilet, and I'm gonna just let me say this avatar real quick, and I'm gonna buy a blocky avatar, whatever or whatever. This like a female avatar. I know I said I'll probably save my Robux, but like, come on now, I can't fucking resist. Oop, he snatched his fucking smile off his face. Um, shit, why? Damn, I'm big as hell. Okay, let me just make me a little shorter. I like my avatars to be short, of course, or whatever. That's the most ugly shit I ever fucking saw. But there you got fucking. Hold on, let me fucking copy Sia's avatar. Hold on, I'm gonna steal his fucking shit. Hold on. Where's Sia's? Did I take screenshots? Right, hold on. Nope. I got rid of that shit. Goddamn. How the fuck am I supposed to? Okay, I got a fucking avatar I can copy up though. I can't think of one. AVURO. Ooh, I like this avatar. Not the fucking iPhone too. Yeah, I like this shit. Hold on, let me remove this shit real quick. Yeah, I like this shit. It doesn't even need no animation or nothing. This is fake hairless. Yeah, this is. Baby, this shit look real as hell though. Like, come on. I know I said I want to do fake hair, but let me make my avatar look short though, cause I can't. I don't know how y'all can fight with tall avatars though. Like, short avatars be eating them. They make me a little short. Shoot, okay, let me just bite it. Let me say this shit to Roblox. Oh shoot, I almost bought that fucking Roblox. I don't need no fucking exhausted ass face. There, this shit cheap as hell, the fuck. I'm just buy this shit. Move for the fuck. I can fucking see you through my damn glare. Cause that female shit right there, that's a fucking troll avatar or whatever. Then I'm gonna buy that Mr. Toilet or whatever you call it animation too, so I can fucking fight. Cause I can't fight without that damn animation. Like, excuse me, I had the hiccups, y'all. That's why I'm not talking. I had the hiccups a little bit. What the fuck? I don't need that fucking body. Okay, I'm buy this fucking chain so I could look like a dude at least, not no fucking girl that's wanna be a. I don't fucking own this shit. Whatever, I don't need this shit anyways. Then let me buy Mr. Toilet or whatever. That's what you call that shit. How the fuck? Let me just buy. Then I have 572 and I don't give a fuck. Then I'm gonna just save the Robux at this point. I'm for real gonna save it. Okay, there we go. Now let me put this shit on, and yeah, let me save this shit to Roblox. Save this damn outfit. Save it there. Cause I don't give a fuck why the fuck you gotta name an avatar and shit. That shit irritating as hell, whatever. And then let me just put on Mr. Toilet. Maybe a little bit of toy. There we go. Now I can fucking pop people today. Yes! I just need fucking voice chat though. That's the thing. So I can talk hella shit. You know, I just stole somebody's avatar, but come on now. I can't fucking resist it. Like, come on. And then let me just delete this. Delete hi. Like, delete that shit and boom. Let me join Kai again. I should bulky buy me a small avatar while I'm at edit, but like I said, I'm gonna save my Robux. Y'all look at my fucking iPhone, whatever you call this shit, cause this don't look like no damn iPhone. This look like a fucking wannabe iPhone. Cause why the fuck the camera like that shit? Why the fuck the camera's supposed to be over here? The camera's supposed to be over here, not over here, over here. Alright, now let me pop some fucking people. Hold on. Let me see if I can pop people with this damn account. Hold on. Who should I pop first? What the fuck, an exporter? Yeah, that's an exporter. Yeah, that's an exporter. Why the fuck did I run up? Why the fuck did I run up to the exporter? Why? I just want to fucking see that's an exporter. I want to be comfort as an exporter though. I'm not gonna lie. So we can help out. Let me see. Yup! Yup! I can fucking fight with this damn account. Yes! Yes! Period. Let me make my fucking screen bigger. Cause why the fuck is this shit always half every time I fucking record? Get your ass up, bitch. Let me fight this bitch real quick. Bitch. Oh, you wanna fucking touch me, bitch? Throw your ass off this damn mat if I want to. Yeah, you fucking try to sneak me, bitch. Who the fuck is this damn? What the fuck? Bitch, get your fucking bitch ass over here, bitch. I'm gonna bop your ass. Oh, you got fucking saved. You got fucking saved. I swear to God, you got fucking saved. It's like, I don't get the fact. What the fuck? Move, Leilani. The fuck? He knew to fucking run up to me with his. Ooh. What the fuck? Yeah, bitch. Yeah, period. Nah, get your ass off him. She mad as hell because I throw her ass off that damn map, and I'll do it again. The fuck? Girl, you're fucking mad. Can I throw your ass off this damn mat? And I'll do this shit again. What the fuck? Wait till my fucking health get back up. Malfoy whoop her ass. Leilani, move! Your ass steady hitting me by accident. Next time you do that fucking shit, I'm beating your ass. Who the fuck is Kia? Hold on, who the fuck is Kia? What, Kia, what the fuck? What the fuck did I do to you, bitch? Throw your ass off that fucking thing, bitch. And bitch, you're not fucking jumping me. You're not fucking jumping me. I'll call my fucking group right now to come and jump your ass. Hold on, let me get that fucking big bag. Hold on, I forgot I bought that shit. I don't know why the fuck am I using slap. Hold on, hold on. Where that fucking stud at? Bitch, get your ass over here, bitch. What the fuck you jumping in for? Stupid asshole. She wanted her fucking KO back. Now we finna call for a 1v1. Y'all wanna fucking run ones? Add it up, bitch. Kia was in there. Add it up, bitch. Oh, she said yes. Okay, bitch. Add your bitch ass. It said sanity. Sadly, whatever your name is, add the fucking shit so I can beat your ass. Cause you know your ass can fucking fight without that damn slipper. Add it up, boo. Add it up, bitch. What the fuck you standing there for? Add me, the fuck. What the fuck you just standing there for? Add it up. Scary. No, the fuck you didn't. No, the fuck you didn't. No, you didn't. You needed fucking help. It's okay. I got fucking video, y'all. I got fucking video. She did not dog me. Ikea was not in this damn game. She would not fucking dog me. Okay, she could dog me by herself. Hold on, I'm gonna show her ass. Bitch, you can fucking dog me and shit. Hold on. You can fucking dog me. You say you could dog me, right? See, she needs fucking help. Look, mom needed help. Oh, everybody's just jumping me at this point. Bitch, we put a wrong motherfucking ones. I put a whip this bitch, especially her. Now get your ass in that damn 1v1, bitch. Since you can fucking dog me and shit. Bros might be in here. Fucking scary ass bitch. Oh, there he is. Come on, bitch. You for to show me. You for to show me, alright? You for to show me, alright? Because I'll pull that motherfucking dreads out, bitch. Don't fucking try me. Nah, stay your ass on there, bitch. The fuck? No fucking weapon, no nothing. Let me get my fucking slap before I forget. Bitch, what's up? Bitch, what's up? Bitch, what's up? You can fucking dog me, this and that, bitch. Ooh! Got my ass in that damn floor already. You can fucking dog me and shit. You can fucking dog me, the fuck. Nah, bring your ass over here, bitch. Can fucking dog me, this and that and shit. Yeah, bring your ass up, bitch. Bitch, yeah, get your ass up, bitch. Yeah, you wanna fucking jump me and shit, but your ass getting your ass beat though. Nah, bitch. Nah, bitch. Nah, bitch. Nah. Get your ass up, bitch. You ain't getting no motherfucking heal either. Nah, get your ass up. Get the fuck up, bitch. Get your ass up. Oh, okay, yeah, get the fuck up, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Yeah. Yeah, my fucking hell get back. Yeah. Yeah, bitch. Bitch. Yeah, bitch. Get your ass up, bitch. Yeah, fat ass bitch. The fuck? Yeah, bitch. Got your ass tossed out that damn mat. The fuck? Who next? To get their ass beat up. Who next? Oh, bitch, you wanna be fucking next. Okay. Kai, hop off. Bro, I don't fucking know you. The fuck? Yep. Yeah, oh. And she got fucking crow blocks too. Yeah, she beating my ass. I can tell she finna beat my ass. No weapons either. Cause I know she had a weapon. I got 2 KOs from you. I don't care. Only 2. No, bitch. You got fucking 1. You got fucking 1 now because I fucking beat your ass in that fucking 1v1. Weapons. Bitch, I know how to spell fucking weapons. The fuck? I fucking type fast. Don't get smart. Don't get fucking smart with me. The fuck? You heard me. The fuck? Report. Whoo! I didn't hear you actually. He finna make a false report off my account. Yeah, my shit finna get banned. I don't give a fuck. I do got VC. I do got VC on my alt. This is my alt. Baby, this is my alt, and I do got VC on my main. Now what the fuck? Run up, bitch. Run up, bitch. Run up, bitch. Yeah. Get your ass up, bitch. Oh, okay. Nah, bitch. You wanna jump my fucking fight, hoe? Yeah, look at you getting tossed out this damn match. And bitch, we're doing fucking one. We're doing fucking one. We ain't doing no 2, no 3, no 4, no 5, no 10, no 10,000, no nothing. We're doing fucking one, bitch. Yeah, doing all that fucking shit talk for what? Yeah, bitch. I want a rematch. Nah, it's one. What she say? Dog, all fucking two of they ass. The fuck? Oh, now y'all don't want to fucking talk shit no more. What she say? Ate the fuck down, bitch. You got ate the fuck down. Yeah, where your other friend at? Cause she knows she get her ass beat too. Oh, she fucking left. Yeah, she fucking knew to leave because she knows she's gonna get her ass beat. But I hope y'all like, subscribe, turn your notification, cause I fucking dogged these two for fucking jumping me right when I got Robux and shit. So yeah, bye y'all. Love y'all so much.